Hi, welcome to Goldilocks Academy. My name is Clementine, and in this video today, I'm going to show you how to wash a human hair wig. So let's get started. The first thing you need is a sink, and you're going to fill that with lukewarm water. Okay, so once you've got your sink full of water, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your salon quality hydrating shampoo and put a couple of pumps into the water. You're going to mix that through until all of the shampoo is mixed thoroughly through the water. Notice that we're not putting shampoo directly on the hair, we're putting it into the water. So then you're going to take your human hair wig. You want to be very careful with this area here because this is the lace area with the hand-tied knots. So this is the most delicate area on the wig. You're going to want to put your hand inside the wig and dip the wig in and out of the water. You're not just going to drop it in and swish it all around because that can tangle the hair. It is human hair. So being very careful, putting your hand inside the cap, we're going to put the wig into the water and just swish it through. We want to make sure that the hair is always going in the same direction. So swish it into the water and up and out. If you've been wearing the wig, you might have makeup build up around the lace area. So you want to make sure that you're just combing and making sure all of that makeup is washed out of the hairline, gently through the hairline, and maybe on the inside of the lace as well. Just making sure you get all of that oil, makeup, build up off the lace to make sure it always looks invisible and clean. You can brush your fingers through the hair as well, making sure to get any pollution out, and then just squeezing the excess water out. So once you've done that, we're going to empty the sink and we're going to condition the hair. Now we're going to wash the shampoo out of the hair. So again, keep holding on the inside of the cap so that the water runs over and the hair remains going in the same direction. Going to want to turn on our tap, lukewarm water, and just gently go through and wash all of that shampoo out of the hair and out of the cap, through the lace area. You can see this is really high quality human hair because this has no products in it, and you can see how easily my hands are moving through the hair. So make sure to wash it thoroughly. You don't want to leave any soap build up in the hair because it just won't look as fresh as shiny. Through the cap as well. Okay, so now that we've washed all the shampoo out of our hair, we're going to move on to step number 2, which is conditioning the hair. Now we're going to condition from the ends down. We're going to take a couple of pumps of our moisturizing human hair conditioner, a couple of pumps into the hands, rubbing it through, and we're going to want to condition from the ends down. So through the ends of the hair, just put in conditioner from about halfway down. You don't want to be conditioning this top area here because this is where the knots are, and over time if you condition these it will loosen the knots and you will lose hair from that area. So we just want to condition the ends only. You can comb your hands through the hair, making sure that it all gets a little bit of conditioner on it. Now that we've put conditioner on our hair, we're going to leave it for about 5 minutes just to sit, just so it has time to absorb the conditioner, especially if it's a blonde piece. So now that the wig has been sitting for a few minutes and the conditioner has had time to absorb, we're going to rinse out all of the conditioner. Make sure you rinse it really well, because if you don't rinse out all of the conditioner once it dries, it will just look a bit dirty, just like the hair on your head would as well. Starting at the ends, rinsing all of that conditioner out, using a lukewarm water. Doesn't have to be hot like you would have in your own shower. Lukewarm is best. How beautiful that hair is. No knotting, no tangling, and this is on one of our really blonde colours. Okay, so now that we have rinsed out all of the conditioner, I'm just going to turn the tap onto cold and give it a little bit of a cold rinse. That helps close the cuticles. Really cold water, and it just gives the hair a little bit more shine. So just a bit of cold water through all of the hair, one of those little tips and tricks that we do in the salon. Look really beautiful and shiny. Okay, so again, we're going to squeeze this water out. So next step, you're going to need a towel, and that is going to get all of the excess water out of the hair. Okay, so now we've squeezed out all the extra water into the sink, and what we're going to do is we're going to take more water out with a towel. So just rolling it up and gently squeezing, you're going to take out any of that excess water. It's just going to make the wig dry quicker. So getting out all the extra water, squeeze, 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 gently. You're not roughing it up, you're just gently squeezing to get that extra water out of the cap and the ends of the hair. So once you've given it a little bit of a dry, you're going to take a brush, and this is where you would put the part line into the top. So if you wanted a left part, you would comb it over to a left part. This one has a middle part, I'll leave it there, or you can put it over to a right part. If you want to line up where you want the part to sit perfectly on your head, you can actually put the wet wig on and then comb it over to where you'd like the part line to dry. So now you're just going to brush through. You can see how easy the brush moves through the hair. Really beautiful quality hair. And then you're just going to press it on something to air dry. So I'm going to use one of these wig stands. This is great because it makes air ventilation through the cap good as well. If you put it on something more solid, it can take longer to dry. So then you're just going to leave it on something like that to air dry. Normally overnight, it would take overnight in a warmish house, and then in the morning you can style it however you like. You could also wear it air dried, it looks beautiful like that, or you can use a hair straightener straight and sleek, or you can use a hair curler to put a bit of curl through it. So that's how easy it is to wash one of our human hair wigs. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel because we've got lots of other helpful videos as well. If you like this video, go and like. If you have questions, drop them below. And if you'd like help choosing a wig or topper, you can go to goldilocks.com. At the top, book a consult. We have free consults via video for anyone international or in our Sydney salon if you'd like to come and meet us in person. We hope to see you there soon. Thanks again for watching. Bye.